Hey guys, so in this video we are going to be drawing an octagon in Scratch. So without further ado, let's get into this. First up, again, very basic block. Next, we can do the motion already. So go to. All right, so let me give you the values right here. It's going to be negative 100 for the x-axis and 100 for the y-axis. Next, you want to point in direction 90. Right, point in direction 90. Okay, it's already given. And then we're going to be doing pen down. Okay, it's already here. Pen down. Okay, no. That shouldn't go there. All right. So set pen color to, let's say my favorite color right here is pink. All right, pink. And then set the pen size to whatever pen size you like. So let's just say I set it to 5. And then we're going to be going for the repeat block just as we did with the triangle. Let's see. We're going to repeat it 8 times since it's going to be an octagon. I guess that's just that makes sense. So move, let's see, move 90 steps. 90, and then turn clockwise 45 degrees. And then after that, let's zoom in on this, then click on the green flag. Voila, you have your octagon. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to see you on the next one.